Acne is a dreadful trouble for lots human beings. It is able to spoil your appearance at the outdoor, and it is able to also ruin your self-assurance at the internal. Coping with acne on a everyday foundation would possibly affect how you view your lifestyles and your attitude approximately others. You might start wondering that your lifestyles isn't well worth living or which you have the load that is too heavy to address. Before you are able to therapy your pimples completely, you want for you to cope with your circumstance on a non-public degree. In different phrases, you should never allow the struggling which you enjoy weigh down you. In addition, you need to not lose all wish for complete recuperation, because pimples is fully treatable, and you can get your clean pores and skin back in case you are inclined to do the right actions. Here are a few recommendations to address your pimples situation on a personal level. 1. Don't compare yourself with others. Comparing yourself with others will absolutely position you in a susceptible position. Whilst you see all the stunning people around you, you may start to sense inferior. It isn't always healthy on your mind and body. In fact, you shouldn't examine yourself with others even in case you do not have acne for your face. All and sundry is unique. You are, so to speak, incomparable. Instead of thinking that you are worse than others because you have some acne breakouts nowadays, consider what you may do to enhance your circumstance. There are plenty of methods that you can do to begin accomplishing your clear skin return. You can use different people as your motivation to alternate your modern situation, in place of agonizing yourself by evaluating yourself with them. 2. Recognize the basis motive of acne. If you want to cope and deal with pimples well, you want to understand approximately the foundation cause of it. The breakouts that you see on your face are simply the signs and symptoms of the basis motive. The foundation motive is living inside your frame, and it isn't outside. Zits is not because of dust or microorganism, but as an alternative, it's far as a result of the buildup of toxins within your frame. How did you collect these pollution? You do it via eating junk meals on a regular basis or exposing yourself to toxic materials which are bad in your body. Additionally, there are other factors that make contributions to the accumulation of those pollutants, inclusive of lack of sleep, loss of body hygiene, demanding mind, loss of physical games, and so on. 3. Work on doing away with the basis motive instead of the symptoms. The symptoms may not disappear completely if you don't work on getting rid of the basis reason of your acne. Regardless of how successfully you've got cleared your zits nowadays, greater breakouts will seem on your face if the root purpose continues to be there. On the opposite, even though you do not use any skincare products, your pimples breakouts will eventually disappear if you paintings on getting rid of the root motive of your zits condition. It will no longer come returned once more. So, it is essential a good way to recognize about a way to cope with your zits condition properly. The basis purpose is something which you need to do away with first and important, and this process takes time. So, don't anticipate to achieve clean skin in just a day. It's miles a slow method, and the end result could be everlasting in case you stay with it. You may research greater information approximately a way to rebuild your self-photo when you have been stricken by acne for a long time. It is the crucial first step before you could gain permanent clear skin. Also, you may visit Share Acne Mind to research greater precious facts about a way to remedy zits evidently and acquire the long-lasting clean skin which you've constantly wanted. Acne is a dreadful trouble for lots human beings. It is able to spoil your appearance at the outdoor, and it is able to also ruin your self-assurance at the internal. Coping with acne on a everyday foundation would possibly affect how you view your lifestyles and your attitude approximately others. You might start wondering that your lifestyles isn't well worth living or which you have the load that is too heavy to address. Before you are able to therapy your pimples completely, you want for you to cope with your circumstance on a non-public degree. In different phrases, you should never allow the struggling which you enjoy weigh down you. In addition, you need to not lose all wish for complete recuperation, because pimples is fully treatable, and you can get your clean pores and skin back in case you are inclined to do the right actions. Here are a few recommendations to address your pimples situation on a personal level. How to choose the best skincare products for your acne. Deciding on the nice pores and skincare merchandise to use on your pimples inclined face may be very crucial due to the fact no longer all treatments available are going to paintings wonders for you. Most of the goods that you've seen on television or the internet may not work to your skin because of various motives. That is specifically real for lengthy time period acne sufferers which have very touchy pores and skin. This is so reactive towards the usage of any topical treatment merchandise. Out of the masses or hundreds of merchandise that you'll locate in the marketplace these days, you may want to clear out them one at a time earlier than the usage of it. Making use of them carelessly for your face simply because of a sheer curiosity of whether it might paintings to treatment your acne or now not isn't advocated. That is due to the fact those merchandise ought to make your pimples condition worse and spoil your appearance later in case you do not take your movements cautiously. Here are a few hints to pick the excellent skincare merchandise on your acne. 1. Herbal substances are continually a higher preference. Whilst you are searching out an amazing skin remedy product to apply, test the substances first. Maximum of the time, the acne-curing merchandise that you locate in the marketplace these days include at least 70% of chemical substances that are clearly dangerous on your pores and skin. It isn't always advocated so as to use those merchandise. It is continually higher so as to pick herbal over chemical. Herbal elements are better to be applied for your pores and skin because they generally work in a softer and smoother manner. They are much less dangerous in your complexion and will not probable purpose any terrible facet outcomes. It's miles safe to use for long-term as well. 2. Only pick out the product that is well matched with brilliant sensitive skin. Now not all products which you locate on the market could be like-minded along with your pores and skin. That is especially real when you have been suffering from pimples for years. If you have a couple of intense instances of pimples, it method that your skin is a terrific touchy type. You want to apply products which are designed for first-rate touchy pores and skin as well, and this type of products is quite hard to locate in recent times. Many cleansers or moisturizers that are being marketed on TV or the internet today are typically geared toward humans who have a few small pimples which don't regularly appear on their face. 3. Use the complete remedy routine. It's miles higher to apply the entire treatment regimen in place of to use handiest the cleansers or topical programs. By shopping the complete treatment routine, which commonly consist of cleansers, moisturizers, topical programs, creams, supplements, and so on, you will get the most benefits from the product. This way, you will be able to recognize exactly whether the remedy is ideal for your pores and skin or now not. In case you use most effective one or components of the routine, then you will chance unbalancing your pores and skin due to the fact there will constantly be something that is lacking within the way you treat your pimples. Moreover, the effectiveness of the product can be diminished considerably whilst you do this. As soon as you have picked the high-quality remedy to head around, you should stick with it for some time and practice it consistently for at least 2 months. Keep in mind that for some humans, particularly extreme acne patients, pores and skincare merchandise, https://www. Share acne thoughts. Club, the 7th of December 2018 ways skincare products might not help cure your acne. HTML, may not therapy their pores and skin problems. For extra records on the way to treat your zits certainly, share Pimples Mind, https://www. Share acne thoughts. Club, is the great vicinity with a purpose to find out about how to reap long-lasting clear pores and skin in only a few weeks from now. Please subscribe and share our YouTube channel. Thank you.